Hey everyone, welcome to Piauí. It's a state in the northeast of Brazil that doesn't always get the attention it deserves. Come with me as we explore Piauí, discover its secrets and see why it's truly a hidden treasure. Our adventure starts in Chapada das Mesas National Park. Picture this: giant flat-topped mountains called mesas, rising up from the ground like ancient monuments. Water has carved amazing canyons through these mesas with sparkling waterfalls crashing down the sides. And nestled among the trees, you'll find crystal-clear pools, perfect for a swim. Chapada das Mesas is a dream come true for adventurers and nature lovers. Let's leave the mountains behind and embark on a journey to the coast. Our destination is where the Grand Parnaíba River flows into the vast Atlantic Ocean, a place where fresh water meets salt water in a spectacular confluence. Here, the river doesn't just end. It transforms, it spreads out, creating a labyrinth of waterways, islands and sand dunes that stretch as far as the eye can see. This natural wonder is known as the Delta do Parnaíba, one of the largest and most intricate river deltas in the Americas. A true marvel of nature. Imagine yourself floating through these narrow channels in a traditional fishing boat. The air is thick with the scent of salt and mangroves, a unique aroma that tells you you're in a place like no other. As you look up, you'll be greeted by a kaleidoscope of colors. A rainbow of birds fills the sky, each species adding its own hue to the vibrant tapestry above. Down below, herons gracefully search for food in the shallow waters, their long legs wading through the mud. Above them, flocks of bright red ibises take to the air, their feathers glowing in the sunlight. And if you're fortunate, you might catch a glimpse of a caiman lurking in the water, or a family of capybaras lounging on the muddy banks, adding to the rich tapestry of life here. The Delta do Parnaíba is more than just a geographical feature, it's a symphony of life. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every creature plays a part in this incredible ecosystem, showcasing the awe-inspiring diversity and resilience of nature. Piauí is a place where two unique landscapes meet, the Cerrado and the Caatinga. These two biomes, though distinct, share a fascinating border that showcases the incredible diversity of Brazil's natural world. To the south and west, the Cerrado stretches out before you, a huge savanna with twisted trees and golden grasslands. This vast expanse is often referred to as the Brazilian savanna, and is one of the richest savannas in the world in terms of biodiversity. The Cerrado is home to thousands of plant species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. It's a tough environment where plants and animals have learned to survive long dry spells and sudden downpours. The climate here is marked by a distinct dry season and a wet season, which shapes the life cycles of the flora and fauna. During the dry season, the landscape can appear almost barren, but life persists in hidden ways. The trees here have thick bark and gnarled branches, showing how they've endured years of scorching sun and fire. These adaptations are crucial for survival, as fires are a natural part of the Cerrado ecosystem, helping to clear old vegetation and make way for new growth. But when the rain comes, the Cerrado comes alive with colorful wildflowers. The transformation is almost magical, as the once dry and dusty landscape bursts into a riot of colors. This period of renewal is vital for the ecosystem, providing food and shelter for a variety of species. Giant anteaters amble through the tall grass, while maned wolves keep watch over their territory. These iconic animals are just a few examples of the unique wildlife that calls the Cerrado home. The giant anteater, with its long snout and bushy tail, is perfectly adapted to its environment, using its powerful claws to dig for ants and termites. To the east, the landscape changes to the Caatinga, a semi-arid region with thorny bushes, cacti and twisted trees. The Caatinga is a stark contrast to the Cerrado, with its own unique set of challenges and adaptations. This region experiences extreme temperatures and irregular rainfall, making it one of the most challenging environments for life to thrive. For a short time during the wet season, the Caatinga bursts into bloom with beautiful flowers. This brief period of abundance is a crucial time for the plants and animals of the Caatinga, as they must make the most of the available resources before the dry season returns. It's also home to cool creatures like armadillos and the shy jaguarundi. The armadillo, with its armored shell, is a master digger, creating burrows that provide shelter from the harsh conditions. The jaguarundi, a small and elusive wild cat, is perfectly camouflaged in the dense undergrowth, making it a rare sight, even for the most seasoned observers. Together, the Cerrado and Caatinga represent the resilience and adaptability of life in some of the most challenging environments on Earth. These biomes are a testament to the incredible diversity and beauty of Brazil's natural landscapes. Our journey takes us back in time to Serra de Capivara National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Here, among the towering cliffs and canyons, we find traces of people who lived here thousands of years ago. Imagine ancient paintings on the rock walls telling stories of these early inhabitants. These paintings, made with natural pigments, give us a glimpse into their lives and beliefs. The park is also a sanctuary for wildlife, proving how resilient nature can be. As you explore this ancient landscape, you can't help but feel connected to the past. Even though Piauí has a dry interior, it's shaped by water. The Rio Parnaíba, the heart of Piauí, flows through the state, bringing life wherever it goes. Along its banks, you'll find peaceful villages where people fish for a living. Hidden in the landscape are cascading waterfalls offering a cool escape from the heat. These waterfalls aren't just beautiful, they're essential to the ecosystem, keeping the plants and animals alive. Let's head to Piauí's coastline, a world away from the dry interior. Here the land meets the sea in a beautiful mix of mangroves, beaches and dunes. Mangroves are vital to the coast, their tangled roots providing a safe haven for sea creatures. Beyond the mangroves you'll find miles of untouched beaches with white sand stretching as far as the eye can see. This is a haven for sea turtles who come ashore at night to lay their eggs. Piauí's coast is a place of natural beauty and peace, reminding us that there are still wild places waiting to be discovered. Piauí is bursting with life, home to an amazing variety of creatures. This region, located in the northeastern part of Brazil, is a treasure trove of biodiversity. From the sprawling savannas to the dense forests, every corner of Piauí is teeming with life. The landscapes here are as diverse as the species that inhabit them, creating a unique mosaic of ecosystems that support a wide array of flora and fauna. In the Cerrado, you might spot a maned wolf with its long legs and reddish-brown fur, looking a bit like a fox. This elusive creature is a symbol of the wild heart of Piauí. The maned wolf is not just a fascinating animal to observe, it plays a crucial role in the ecosystem, helping to control the populations of smaller animals and disperse seeds through its diet. Venture into the Caatinga and you might be lucky enough to see a three-banded armadillo, a master of protection. This small, armored mammal can curl into a tight ball to defend itself from predators. The Caatinga, with its dry, thorny vegetation, is a challenging environment, but the three-banded armadillo has adapted perfectly to survive here. But Piauí's wildlife isn't just about the big and famous animals. The region is also home to countless smaller creatures that play vital roles in their ecosystems. From tiny insects that pollinate plants to small mammals that aerate the soil, every species has its part to play in maintaining the balance of nature. The Piauí red-footed tortoise, found only in this region, shows how special this ecosystem is. This tortoise is a slow-moving but essential part of the environment, helping to disperse seeds and maintain the health of the forest floor. Its presence is a testament to the unique biodiversity of Piauí. Butterflies with bright colors flutter through the undergrowth, their wings like stained glass windows. These delicate insects are more than just beautiful, they are important pollinators, helping to sustain the plant life that forms the foundation of the ecosystem. Watching them dance from flower to flower is a reminder of the intricate connections that sustain life in Piauí. And at night, the air comes alive with the sounds of insects, each chirp and buzz a crucial part of the nocturnal symphony. The nighttime in Piauí is a different world, where the creatures of the dark take center stage. From the rhythmic calls of crickets to the soft hum of moths, the night is filled with life, creating a rich tapestry of sounds that tell the story of this vibrant ecosystem. Piauí is at a turning point. While its natural beauty remains largely untouched, the pressures of development are growing. Ecotourism, if done responsibly, offers a way to protect Piauí's natural treasures while also helping local communities. Imagine a future where people from all over the world come to experience the wonders of Piauí. Their visits would help protect the environment and benefit the people who live here. Imagine staying in locally owned lodges, hiking through pristine forests and kayaking down the Rio Parnaíba. This is the future that ecotourism can offer Piauí, a future where nature and culture thrive together. Piauí, a state often overlooked, is overflowing with natural wonders. It's a land of contrasts, full of surprises. It might not be as famous as some of its neighbors, but that's part of its charm. So why not take a chance and discover the magic of Piauí for yourself? You won't be disappointed. Thanks for joining me on this journey through Piauí's natural wonders. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing travel videos.